Let me ask you something. If I gave you 30 days to make an extra $1,000, could you do it? Most people would say no. But today, I'm going to break down real side hustles, not scams, not get-rich-quick junk, that can put cash in your pocket starting this week. Stick around, because tip number 3 is the one almost nobody talks about, but it's what gave me my first big breakthrough. Here's what we're covering today. A side hustle you can start with literally 0 skills. A digital product idea that keeps paying you while you sleep, and a method to turn everyday recommendations into passive income streams. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Microservices. Beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a pro. Go on Fiverr or Upwork and offer something simple. Think writing Instagram captions, basic Canva graphics, or even organizing someone's email inbox. These are tasks people hate doing, but will gladly pay for. One of my friends started offering 10 captions for $25, and by week 2, she was pulling in $500 just from repeat clients. Here's the secret. You don't have to be a guru. Maybe you make a budget template, a fitness meal planner, or even a student study guide. Put it on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. The beauty? You create once, and the internet keeps selling it for you. I uploaded a simple PDF once that still brings in money months later. Tip 3. Affiliate and referral income, most underrated. This is where beginners miss out. Affiliate programs pay you just for recommending products. You already tell friends about apps, supplements, or tech you like. Now imagine getting a check for that. Start with Amazon Associates, or check out software companies with recurring commissions. And if you combine this with TikTok or YouTube Shorts, boom, free traffic, free sales. Now, maybe you're thinking, I don't have time. I don't have skills. This won't work for me. That's just fear talking. Start with 30 minutes a day. Everyone has some skill. Writing, organizing, teaching, even just researching. And remember, most millionaires started with exactly 0. What matters is consistency, not perfection. If you're ready to actually take action, smash that like button so YouTube knows you're serious. Subscribe to Wealth Mind Blueprint because every week I'm dropping real strategies you can use right away. And comment below. Which of these side hustles are you going to try this week? I want to see what you choose. Do just one of these this week, and you'll already be ahead of 90% of people who only dream of making extra money. This is Wealth Mind Blueprint.